This is Karen from the QuickBooks team. Tags are customizable labels that let you track your money however you want so you can get deeper insights into your business. You can tag transactions such as invoices, expenses, and bills. Tags don't impact your books. They're a simple way for you to track and report on the info that matters most to you. Let's go over how to create tags and tag groups, and how to add tags to money in and money out transactions like invoices and expenses. Finally, we'll look at how to run reports on tags to see how you're making and spending money. To start, select Settings and Tags. Once you tag some transactions, you'll see the results of your tagging here as well. Before you start tagging, ask yourself which parts of your business are important to track. For example, you can track how much you're making and spending on different types of jobs. Or you can tag things like ad campaigns, sales reps, or who managed a project. Tags are completely customizable so you can track and report on whatever you like. It's best to start by creating tag groups so you can group tags together and run reports to see how specific areas of your business are doing. Select New and Tag Group. Then name your group. In this case, we'll call our group Job Type. Then select the color that you want to use for these tags. Select Save, and then you can start adding tags to your group. In this case, we'll create 2 tags, one for residential and one for commercial. However, you can add as many tags as you like to a group. Now let's go over how to tag transactions. First, let's look at a money-in transaction like an invoice. Just create an invoice like you normally would. Then in the Tags field, select the tag you want for this invoice. If you don't see the tag you want, you can add it here and put it in a group. You can also add multiple tags to a transaction if you're tracking multiple things. Now, let's add tags to expenses. First, we'll look at an expense from a connected credit card. Go to your transactions, and when you see one you want to tag, select it. You'll see the tag field right here. You can select a tag or add a new one. Once everything looks good with this expense, select Confirm. The process is similar even if you create expenses that aren't connected to online banking. Select New and Expense. Fill in the details of who was paid, how much, and the payment method, just like you normally would. The Tags field is here, and you can add your tag. When you're finished, fill in the category details and then save. Now, let's go back to the Tags page and see the results of your tagged transactions. You'll see all your tagged money in and money out transactions. You can filter by the tag group and date. This shows you which tags are bringing in the most money and which ones cost you the most. Below, you'll see all your groups and each tagged transaction. You can even run reports off these if you want to break these down further. And that's it. Start using tags and learn more about where your money is coming from and how you're spending it.